Okay, we have discussed about the file attributes, and then next is about the additional attributes like permission and read-write access, right? So those are some additional attributes. Let's see that also. We learn about the file extension, file attribute, and then, so let's learn about how do we modify the attributes like modification, securities, related things, and also the read on the hidden status of the file. So who's going to share it now? Yes, who's going to share the screen now? Okay, again, it's okay. But if someone can take the chance, take it, right? Someone else, can we take the chance? Okay, Aditi. Right, just go to the desktop, Windows key and D key. Windows key and D key to go to the desktop. Right. So all are sharing. So can someone share? All are sharing, then no one is sharing again. Okay, Shama. Right, okay. So let's go to the desktop and let's do something like this. I want to do something like this, Shama. Then, so let's say, I want to hide this file. So right click and go to the properties. Right click and go to the properties. Right click on the file. File like right click. Just right click on the file and go to the properties. The last one, properties. Okay, there you can see hidden and read only. Can we, okay, let's click the read only first. Read only karam. The last two ticks. Read only. And apply and click OK. When your file is read only, so can you open and edit that? Open the file and edit that. So type something that you like, maybe your name, and try to save that. File save. File save. Save. And you can see it's displaying save as. Save as. And if you try to save under the same name, click save now. So it's asking the file is already exists. Do you want to replace? Let's say yes. It's saying no, the file is read only. We can't replace. Because the file is read only, you can edit, but you have to save under different name. Read only කරොත් file එක edit කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඒ file එක replace කරලා ඒක උඩ save කරන්න බෑ. You have to save as a new file. That is the nature. Okay, now we saw that. Close it, please. So let's hide the file now. Let's close it and don't save. Let's hide the file. Right click and click the hidden properties. Right click properties and click hide. And click apply and click OK. And your file will be light color. You can see it's light color. When you right click somewhere and refresh, right click and refresh, you can see the file is still there because you have actually, I think, ticked the hidden files. Can you go to the Explorer, Pute? Here, Windows Explorer. There, can you go to the view? And since you have tick hidden items here, that's why you can see that files. Can you untick that? Okay, now go to the desktop, Pute. Now, when you go to the desktop, you cannot see that file, it's hidden, right? So normally when hidden items is untick, hidden item untick kala tiyeti, oya file එක පේන්නේ. හැබැයි when you go to the file explorer and tick, go to the view and tick the hidden items again, hidden items දැම්මම ආපහු අර file එක පේන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. Right, again you can see that file. Can you see? Okay, hidden items tick කරාම පේන. Okay, දැන් එහෙම වැඩක් නැහැ නේ hide කරලා නේද? අපිට hide නම් පේන්නේ නැති වෙන්නම hide වෙන්න ඕනනේ. Okay, how we can do that? So where's the file now? Can you refresh the screen? I just want to see the text file now. So a lot of files are there. Is it there in the desktop? Yes, I think it's there, right? Hidden items stick කරන්න පුතේ. Hidden items stick කරලා desktop එක බලන්න. එතකොට page එක. හරි දැන් යනකොට desktop එක. Okay, file එකේ තැන වෙනස් වෙලා ඇති සමහර විට ආවේ තියෙන, right? Yes. That is the place. Okay, if you want to hide this file as a system file, how can we do that? So let's say you want to hide this as a system file. That is also possible. So to do that, please right click on empty space, but while pressing the shift key. නිකම් right click කරත් මෙහෙම menu එකක් එන්න ඕනේ. ඒකත් බලා ගන්න. නිකම් right click කරලා පෙන්නන්න පුතේ. නිකම් right click කරන්න. හරි. Then shift key එක press කරගෙන right click කරන්න. Press the shift key and right click. Now you can see additional item. That is open PowerShell window here. Open command window here. You can open that. A shift එක press කරගෙන right click කරොත් තමයි එකේ ඉන්නේ. Now let's write a command. I just want to hide the file. Let's write a command. All of you can practice this, right? This is the command. You have to type. Don't maximize it. Then you cannot see the file. Product. තිබ්බ size එකටම හදාගන්න එක command නමුත් file එකත් බලාගෙනම අපි කරමු. මෙතන පල්ලෙහා file එක තියෙන්නේ. අනිත් පැත්ත බලන් ඉන්න. මෙන්න මෙතන file එක තියෙන්නේ. මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. Okay. So you have to write the command. The command is attrib plus s plus h plus r, then the file name, new text document .txt. Okay, let's write this command now. I think you can see that attrib space plus s space plus h space plus r space your file name.
Excuse me, sir. Where are you typing, sir?
So can you see the screen?
I can see the screen, sir, but I can't see anything typing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Me too. Now,
Now you can see it. Now you can see, sir.
Okay. Attrib plus s space plus h space. Oh, I think his screen was disconnected. Can anyone share? Command අලුතෙන් අපි පටන් ගමු. Anyone would like to share? Start from the beginning. කෙටි හාන. හරි. Then file name එක පුතේ. What is the file name? Space. Then the file name. 123.txt. Okay.
Sir, I didn't create a file. Go to create the file.
Then you have to create the file. Otherwise, like it won't work. Create the file. Right click new file and rename as 123. You have a file already. There's a file 123. Okay, new text document විදිහටම තියන්නකෝ එතන command එක කොහොමද තමයි. Then you have to type new text document. ඒක ඔයාලට මෙතන type කරන්න පුළුවන්. 1 2 3 4 කියලා වෙනස් කරන්න. මොකක් හරි command. Okay, press enter and your file will be hidden. Right now you can refresh the screen and it will not be visible. It's gone. Then hidden file පෙන්නුවත් ඔයා එක පේන්නේ. So go and tick the hidden files in the
Sir, unhide I guess you must type minus h.
Yes.
Minus is
Yes, you have to type minus. If you want to unhide, you have to type minuses. Minus r or txt. Okay, enter. Then you can get the file. Okay, there are some hidden. These hidden system files are very important. Can you type attrib පුතේ? Just attrib, ATTRIB. Then you can see the file attributes. Nikam me anitayat me attrib kira type kala baluwana. Then wala.
So want to press the enter also?
Just enter. Then you can see whatever the files in desktop. Okay, there are some hidden files. Here, this is system and hidden. This is also system hidden and read only. That is the file that you have created. And the other one is desktop.ini. Then may veddi mama danna onna mama kiyanada sastarayak kiyanna. May veddi samara ay inna may PowerShell එක open කරගන්න බැරි. කොහෙද මේක තිබ්බේ කියලා දන්නේ නැති. හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්නේ. ඉන්නවනේ. මම මේ ඔයාලා ගැන කියන්නේ.
Sir, how do I get 123.txt?
That you have to unhide. Minus S, minus H, minus R, T, 123.txt. ඉන්නව නේද? මං කිව්ව එක ඇත්ත නේද? PowerShell එක open වුන්නේ නැති. කොහොමද ඒක open කරේ කියලා දැක්කේ නැති. එහෙම කෙනෙක් share කරන්නකො screen එක. පොරු වගේ ඉන්න එපා. එහෙම කෙනෙක් share කරන්න please share because it's very important. Okay. Shamal, you have found the PowerShell now? නෑ මං කියන්නේ PowerShell එක හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණ කෙනෙක්. PowerShell එක හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණ කෙනෙක් කවුරු හරි share කරන්න. මොෂිත
මේක PowerShell නේද සර්?
නෑ ඔක PowerShell නෙමෙයි command prompt එක පුතේ. දෙකම එකයි දෙකෙන් PowerShell එකේ ගහනේම command prompt එකෙන් ගහන්නත් පුළුවන්. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. Okay.
PowerShell එකේ command prompt එකේ තියෙන වෙනස මොකක්ද?
PowerShell එකේ commands පොඩ්ඩක් අපිට advanced scripting ලියන්න පුළුවන්. command prompt එකේ සාමාන්‍ය commands විතරයි. PowerShell can be...
We can do networking with command prompt.
Yes, you can do many things with the command prompt. The command prompt is actually an operating system.
Sir.
Yeah, the CLI.
Lakshya, you cannot do that in Mac OS, right? You cannot do that in Mac OS. You have a different way. In Mac OS, I'll tell you that later. In Mac OS, if you want to check the file attributes, you have to go to the terminal. And in the terminal, you have to type ls minus l. So then you can see the file attributes like this. Here, read, write, and all. This is how you see the file attributes. Actually, this is in the Linux also. Linux also ls minus l.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
After we hide the file, how can we find it again?
You have to share the screen. Right, I was telling that.
So I'm using by the phone.
You're using phone. Okay, then you can write the minus command. Or plus S, plus H, plus R when you want it. Minus S, minus H, minus R type. Okay, who's going to share the screen? We have only 4 minutes. The lucky one, can you share the screen?
Sir,
We'll
so
learn
what we are
some
My one, when I type in terminal, when I type clear, it doesn't clear.
You have to type CLS in Windows. Different command prompts, different operating systems, different commands. Okay, no one is wish to take the challenge. Okay, Aditi. So I'll teach you some special thing. Since you have shared that, I'll teach you some special thing, Aditi. File not found here. No, file like a net. So can you close this? PowerShell like a close karan. Oh yeah, shift right click karan desktop pe pute. Shift and right click in the desktop. Not in the file like anyway, empty place. Shift right click in the desktop, empty place. Then open PowerShell window here. Open PowerShell window here. Menu shift right click menu item. Then you will go to the desktop. Then only you can write that command, right? Otherwise, just open in PowerShell is not enough. You have to open that related to the desktop. Okay, now you can type the attribute command. ATTRIB. Attrib plus S space plus H space plus R space the file name. What is the file name? Okay. Can you drag the window a little down? Just don't minimize, just drag it. Okay, I think the file is hidden, right? Here, you can see. Can you right click and refresh? Right click and refresh current. Okay, the bonus. The bonus is this. Can you create a folder soon? Quickly do this. Right click, new folder. Then right click and change the icon of the folder. Right click, go to the properties. Right click on the folder, go to the properties. And under customize, you can change the icon. Change the icon. And select any icon that you like. Okay, that's it. And click OK, apply and OK. That will change the icon of the folder. Now let's go inside that folder. CD. No. Using PowerShell. CD space new folder. NEW. Then tab key. That will automatically type. No need to type that. Don't type. Tab key. Tab key in the keyboard. Okay, press enter. Now you are inside the new folder. Let's type attrib only. Attrib විතරක් ගහන්න අපිට බලා ගන්න ඕන ඔකේ තියෙන files. අපි අතර මොකුත් හැදුවේ නැහැනේ. We didn't create anything. Press enter. But you can see a special file is hidden. That is desktop.ini. That file is system and hidden. So let's edit this. This is not read only, no. So you can edit this. How to edit this? Use the notepad. Please use notepad. N-O-T-E-P-A-D. Type there. P-A-D. Space. Then desktop.ini. D-E and tab. Tab will auto type. Press tab key. Tab key again, auto type. Okay, press enter and you can edit that file. Okay, so this special file, yesterday also I taught this in grade 7 class. Okay, here, so this is the icon resource. Can you see? This is the icon resource. මේ ෆයිල් එක දැන් ඔය icon එක change කරා හින්දා තමයි මෙහෙම ෆයිල් එකක් හැදිලා ඒක hide වෙලා තිනවා. ඔයාට පේන්නේ නැහැ මේ ෆයිල් එක. This is system and hidden. But you can edit this file. Shall we change this to 25? 13 when to 25 done? And save it again. And save it. And close this. Refresh the desktop. Okay, now you can see different icon, right? Can you see a different icon? Right? New folder has a different icon now. So you can retype the command. If you want, you can retype the command and open this secret file. Actually, this system file is responsible for changing the icon. Up arrow. Press up arrow and you can open that again. Enter and you can open that again and you can type any number that you like, maybe 5 or some other number, 7, okay, anything. Just save it. And that will responsible for changing the icon. Okay, if that icon is not there, that's why it's not coming. Try for some other number. Maybe 15, 16, some other number. Up arrow, enter, some other number. You can keep trying this, right? Keep trying this and you can get different icons without going to the properties. Okay, now you can see the control panel icon. Likewise, so these hidden system files are very important. Actually, they are used by the operating system to do various changes, configuration. And අපේ පාඩම ඒකනේ settings නේ. ඔය hidden system files වලින් ගොඩක් changes කරනවා. එහෙනම් මේ file මකන්න එහෙම එපා දැක්කම. Sometimes you might think, okay, මටත් හොරෙන් මෙයා හැංගිලා. Maybe a virus. Let's delete. Don't do that because these hidden system files are used by the system. And you can also use hidden system files to hide something which is like, then it is difficult to find. But after that, you have to find by typing this attrib command and you can discover the file. If it is there, you can reverse the attributes minus and minus h minus s minus r and reverse the attribute and get that file back. Okay, so the next part I'll discuss next day. Right?
Sir,
Yes.
can we hide apps and games also?
You are using, you mean like you want to do that in a mobile phone?
No, in a laptop.
Yes, in a laptop you can do that using the same commands.
Ah, okay, sir, thank you.
But don't hide it from your parents, right? Okay.
Yeah, madam.
Don't misuse that to do something harmful. Okay. Then see you all next week. Then good night. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Thank you.